Okay, I think it's rolling. I know what it is. Yeah, it's rolling. Oh, jeez, I gotta move that. Oh. Hi guys, this is Rose Meadow here, and okay, just like the last video, I keep switching it up on you, but this video is gonna be a little different because, I'm gonna try to cut my own hair for the first time. Unless I tried when I was little and my mom didn't tell me, so there's that. Today I'm gonna be trying the butterfly cut. Yay! But the reason why I chose the butterfly cut because I watch specifically Brad Mondo's instruction videos over and over again, thinking in my head, it's so simple. 2 ponytails, cut the same length, and then let it down, let it dry, and then just touch up from there. I'm still nervous about it. And there are 2 main reasons why I'm doing this. One is I want to experiment cutting my own hair. That way, if it comes out right, then I'm going to be super happy about it. Or if something goes wrong, then it's like, okay, it's a learning curve. And the second reason is, well, I don't want to pay so much for someone to wash my hair and cut it and layer it if I could do it myself. Yeah, the American accent coming at you. And I watched his videos over and over again, and I've made notes. I know the first one is obviously either you have to have your hair super straight. And obviously, my hair's not straight. There's a little bit of a wave to it. So basically, there's 2 ways you can combat this. One is straightening your hair, and one is wetting your hair. Another flaw with me in doing hair, I'm not a fan of irons whatsoever because I'm always afraid of burning myself no matter what it is. So I'm gonna go in the shower behind me and do the wetting version of this haircut. And even though I just took a shower today, but you know what? That means it's clean. That means we're ready, okay? Okay. And not screaming hot either. It has to be like warm. Warm water, so that way you don't damage your hair from the hot water, and your scalp's not frozen by the time you're ready to cut it. While my hair goes up, I'm gonna get a towel for around my shoulders real quick. Okay, hand towel more lightweight because I don't have too many other ones. Okay. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. Oh man, it's not good yet. Where the heck did it go? Okay, I'm back, and I almost forgot something. For a couple of things. And I can still feel my hair still kind of dry in some spots, so I'm gonna retry it again. I'll be right back. There, much better. So I just soaked my hair as best as I could, and I think it's drenched. And his instructions were to make sure your hair was dripping wet, and given what my hair is doing right now, I think I got that part done. Now, for the stuff that I'm going to be using, first is a brush specifically good for like untangling hair. I need to clean it. 2 hair ties for the ponytails. Actual hair cutting scissors, no kitchen, no office scissors. I made sure to just specifically get these, so that way nothing weird happens with my hair. A comb, which has like a little measuring stick thing on the side, and that's gonna be important. Leave-in conditioner, and I know it's not a conditioner mist, but it's the closest thing I've got. So there's that, and my shirt's getting wet. Hold on real quick, I'm gonna get that towel and work from there if I can get everything on the counter. There, so it's like, oh, it's going through my shirt. Well, it's like a little too late now. But this will help a little. Next is to have my hair down. Jeez, I can feel the weight of that. And the next thing we're supposed to do is find the apex, or the highest point of my head, using the comb, kind of like balancing it. And it looks like it's somewhere around, like I'm trying to stand up straight and look in the mirror. Okay, right here, I think. And we're gonna separate that into front and back, while the front goes behind the ear. You know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna brush my hair. Now we're going to, hairbrush. Now we're gonna find the apex of our head, or my head, again, trying to figure that out. Okay, so that's about where it was before, I think. I'm using the wider side, I'm gonna use the wider side of the comb to try to get that. Now you can't see my face, but I got it all separated. Now I will try to smooth my hair out as best I can by brushing method first and then combing. If anyone knows me knows, I am able to do it. It's just gonna take me, it just takes me a minute to kind of cooperate with my hair. You can hear the globs of water. I think that's as smooth as I'm going to get it. And then to put it in the middle of your eyebrows, and everyone like puts it like up here. No, I'm gonna do literally, right in between the brow. That's gonna have to do for now. All right, now this next one's gonna be a bit tough because I am so weak in the arms. The next part is all of this right here at the top of my head. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, you know what? This is my first time cutting my hair. I'm not gonna be too strict on myself, but if it somehow turns out really wonky because of like little things like that, that is on me. Okay? Okay. All right. I'm gonna flip my head upside down and see how it works. Because I feel like this is gonna be one of the only ways I can actually get my hair to be up top. Is to have it upside down. Another thing, a reason why I'm not too worried about this is because my hair actually grows pretty quickly. So there's that. Whew. Wait, let me center it as much as I can. Man, hold on. You know what? Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect. I tried. But again, though, I'm not gonna stress because it's my first time trying to do this. Now next is, how long am I gonna cut it? This is where the measurements of this come along. I'm actually gonna measure all this, which is a very significant amount, but I'm gonna go like to the very tip of my hair and work from there. Now to cut the parts, you have to go in the direction the hair is being pulled. So like how this is going here, I'm gonna continue that out, comb it out, and I'm going to try lay it basically on top of here. I'm going to the very tip that I can see. It's about right there. And here's the scary bit. Okay. I'm trying to keep a good hold of my hair. Oh, am I holding it even? That's another thing, you gotta hold this even. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, I didn't do it in the direction. No. Okay, 1 second. I'm just gonna do a little chop. I know it's probably sliding around. Dang it. Sliding around because my hair is so slippery. Okay, hold on. I was not expecting that to happen. This is why I'm sticking to this length. Okay, now I'll take my comb, bring it in the direction of my hair, cut as much of it as I can. Okay, that's not terrible. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Now this is gonna be worse. I have really bad arm strength, so it's really hard for me to do this, and it doesn't help that my hair is super long. Okay. I can't even stretch it out that far. Here's about the end of the hair, and there's that. So it's about this far. Literally as far as I can reach. I want to do this right, but I can't hold my arm up like this the whole time. It hurts. Ow. Ow. You can tell I kind of needed this because, well, my hair this long forever. And there it goes. Okay. See, it's doing what the last time did. You know what? I'm just gonna hold it like this. Again, I'm not aiming for perfection, but I am a perfectionist. Okay, that's not too bad compared to the other time. Okay. Woo! Let's see. And plus, like, look, it still covers like a good portion of my head. So now, okay, not too bad. Doesn't feel too bad. Hold on. Look, my hair is too wild. And see, about what I predicted hair length wise. But again, I'm gonna brush my hair out. I can already tell it's a little easier to brush. I know it's not much. I can feel the weight literally lifted off my hair. Now, to make sure the cut was okay, or at least decent, split the hair right in two. I'm just gonna refine it, even in the back, as much as I can. Again, I'm not perfect about this. And then bring the hair forward, both sides, all of it, and see if there's any flow disconnection, which I don't think so. See, okay, I think this side did better than this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna eyeball, so like angle, just a little. That was too much. Oh well. I think that's fine. No, that's fine. All right, I'll come back when my hair is dry. Okay, it's been a couple hours. Obviously, it's not the best shape, frizziness and all that, but I can feel that weight. I mean, it wasn't that much hair, but like that little bit of difference does feel a lot better. And what I'm going to do now, if I can unbury everything, I'm actually going to not create things, but touch up on them, if that makes sense. Watch the video through, and again, I watched his video thoroughly. And let's see, I also took notes. It's like I'm in school again. You go about 2 inches up here, and where the eyebrow ends, and for me it's right here. Until I got a lot of little hairs here. Okay, come on. But see, there's this extra strand here. I don't know what's going on with it. One thing I did like, he's like, oh, go with your jawline. So if I hold it here and then stretch it out, I'm pretty sure. Rats. Okay, hold on. See, that's not too much of a difference, but like it helps. Now onto the other side. This might be it, which is okay. This is like a good baby step. It feels lighter overall, and that's all of it out front, and that's not bad. And here's how it looks from the back. I can't exactly tell. Again, I don't use much product and stuff in my hair in the first place, and I know people are like, you're supposed to be using product if you have a type of wavy hair, and I'm like, I just found out I think I have a type of hair like a week ago. After all these years, I know. Surprising, right? Now, I know it's not too much different, but it feels different for me, which is great, actually. Much lighter. Yep, first time cutting my hair. I'm not disappointed, actually. I was more stressed than I thought I would be originally, because I'm, like I stated, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so there's that. This is a baby step for cutting my hair. So, we'll see in the future if I decide to try to trim it again, or either go shorter, or maybe try a different cut. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make my hair kind of pretty. It's floofy. Well, that is all the time I've got for today, and you know, don't be afraid to try something new, but also don't be ashamed to take baby steps. I'm glad I did it. Oh boy. I'd be really panicking if I went a lot shorter. Let's just say that. Alrighty. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.